Right. Are you ready? Let's get ready to do it. Okay, what happened was this. You double cocked it. The way you do it with your finger. Okay, let it go for a second. What you want to do first when you get to situations like this is you want to go ahead and release. Hold this for 1 second. You want to release your magazine. After releasing the magazine, you want to pull your slide back, called a rack and tap, and let it forward. What happened was you got a double ride up in there. So what you want to do, insert the lost cartridge in, rack it again, you just double rack. But right now she's ready to rock and roll. So it gets ready to do your thing. Right now we're shooting a Glock 21, 45 caliber tack driver. Another bullseye's just been whacked. Let's see what it is.
Get it over, you know.
Yeah, but that's a group. Anytime you can get all your shots in one consistent area versus them being all over, that's a group. Could you hold on, let me watch me? I want to do about 5 shots myself. This is me, Eugene of Elm City. We're here doing a Tuesday night pistol course. Our classes are fun, and you'll learn a lot of stuff. Right now we're working with a Glock 45, and we're going to do it 5 shots. This is what we have here. My student first time shot multiple guns. She shot 38. Also, my student shot a 22 and a 9mm. Also, she also shot my personal favorite, Beretta Sports. We're getting ready to wrap up the lesson before we do the final paperwork for this lesson. And I want to see what I can do get out tonight, follow my student, and see how she does with her final 5 shots. Not but good enough. Thank you. Elm City Sports. Peace.